Ever wondered how metals get their strength? Well, it all comes down to a fascinating process known as heat treatment. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of metallurgy to understand this captivating process. Heat treatment, in essence, is a series of operations involving the heating and cooling of metals in their solid state. Its purpose: to change the physical and sometimes chemical properties of the metal, making it more suitable for a specific application. Think of heat treatment as a gym workout for metals. Just as we exercise to build strength and endurance, metals undergo heat treatment to enhance their properties like hardness, toughness, ductility, and resistance to wear and tear. So how does this workout routine for metals work? It all starts with the heating phase. Metals are heated to a specific temperature based on their composition and the desired properties. This isn't a random choice, but a carefully calculated decision made by metallurgists. Once the metal reaches the desired temperature, it's held there for a while, allowing the heat to penetrate thoroughly. This is akin to holding a yoga pose, letting the stretch sink in. Following the heating phase comes the cooling phase. Here, the metal is cooled at a controlled rate. This could be slow cooling, fast cooling, or even quenching, where the metal is rapidly cooled using liquids. Each method results in a different set of properties. But what exactly happens during this heating and cooling process? Well, it all comes down to the structure of the metal. Heat treatment alters the metal's microstructure, which is essentially how its atoms are arranged. By changing this arrangement, heat treatment changes the metal's properties. The fascinating part is, the same metal can exhibit different properties based on the heat treatment process it undergoes. This is why heat treatment plays a crucial role in industries like automotive, aerospace, and construction, where specific metal properties are needed. To summarize, heat treatment is a process of heating and cooling metals to alter their physical and chemical properties. It's a carefully calculated process that plays a vital role in many industries. So, the next time you marvel at the strength of a skyscraper or the speed of a sports car, remember, it's all thanks to the incredible world of heat treatment. A world where metals get their workout routine, becoming stronger, tougher, and more resilient, all in service of our modern world.